guys, welcome back to the channel again. Glad you're tuning in. So we are at Cars and Coffee Six Flags in San Antonio, and as you can see, there are a ton of cars here. So let's go ahead, make the rounds. Let's see what kind of cool cars are showing up to this meet. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, as it greatly helps me. All right, guys. All right, we got a really nice Grand Sport over here, C6. Then a C8 orange, got the top off. Z06 orange C6 next to a black Grand Sport 5.0 with the big cow hood on it, black on black, and then yours truly all right there, looking all beautiful. Oh guys, check it out, we have a 0304 Cobra Terminator silver, like my 03 Terminator I used to have. If you look way back on my channel, and it looks so beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, look at the Whipple on it. Powder coated, the valve covers, big air intake. Look at that, guys. Man, this thing is beauty. Looks just like mine, silver. Here's another shot of this other side. I'm gonna show you all the side now. You got the snake. It's even got the amber tail lights on there with the Cobra. Oh man, guys. Oh, it brings back memories. I will have another Terminator, guys. I will add one for the channel when I can. I just love those cars. Alright guys, and we have another Terminator over here. It's black, solo driven is his YouTube channel. Super clean. It's got the stock Eaton on it. He has the powder coated valve covers on it as well. Looks almost like mine. Mine were just a little bit brighter red painted when I still had the stock blower on it with a pulley, but I had the same intake, the JLT ram air intake on mine. Looks pretty similar there. He does have the splitter on the front, as you can see. But man, guys, I remember when I had mine. Let's get a shot of the side here. Snake, black. Man, guys, 2 Terminators. That is awesome. I just love these cars. I just love them. We got a purple Lancer, guys. I think it's a GTS. I used to have one. It was silver. It was a Lancer GTS. It was 08. Oh boys, we have a Nissan GTR. Kind of a reddish red fire color. Looks real clean. Got another C7 boys here. Blue calipers. Chrome wheels. I think it's a base. It looks like a base. Still looks good though. I see a couple schnauzes, guys. Some schnauzes. Another 5.0 boys on the weld wheels. Another doggy, guys. Oh, guys, I think this one was on one of my last Six Flags shows. Pretty unique Mustang there. Next to another 5.0 with a big cow hood, aftermarket headlights. Classic Camaro, guys, except look, let's check the engine. It's got a LS swap in it. Probably a Camaro Corvette motor. But it's convertible. Let me show you all the inside real quick. Oh guys, another doggy. Next to a Corvette. 2 Corvettes, C6s. And we're making it down the line. ZL1 with some red wheels. Next to the Deadpool Camaro. Look at this, guys. It's got Deadpool theme all over it. Let me show y'all. Look. I like the maximum effort. That is cool. Oh guys, I want to do something like this for my vet. Get a camo wrap with like red, black, and gray theme on it. Oh, that's so nice. All right, guys, so we got a nice white Shelby GT500 over here. It's a little bit of one of the older ones, next to a couple of Hellcats over here. There's one and another one. Look at this 5.0, guys. Look, it's got a cow hood, bags, huge wing in the back. My goodness. Oh, we got a Roush supercharged 427 Mustang. You don't see too many of these. That's pretty unique there. Another C7. Look at this little green car, guys. Let me show y'all the inside. All right, guys, we got Iron Man's R8 over here. Red, perfect, best color. Guys, and we got this sick Shelby GT500. Oh, guys, look, we spotted a red Shelby GT350. Red, perfect, white racing stripes. Man, that thing is clean. All right, guys, we got a purple SRT Hellcat. And then very nice 5.0 bags, GT500 front bumper, aftermarket hood. Next to the, oh baby, the King Daddy ZR1. Looks so good. Oh my gosh, and it's orange, so it's even rare. Then another Shelby GT350 next to it. Oh, guys, I found another old school Corvette. Look at this. Let me show y'all that inside. Oh, boys, and look, a Shelby F-150. Look at this. You don't see too many of these, but let me show y'all the inside. Oh, thanks, man. He's gonna turn it on for us, guys. Oh. Very nice, very nice. You don't see too many of these trucks out, so. Alright, guys, we got another couple Corvettes here. Really nice Z06 next to another C7 Z06. Big wang on the back. And then got another one over here. And another one. Oh, guys, we got this classic Corvette here. Look at this. And we'll just make it down the line. Oh, guys, another Shelby GT350. It's red again. It's got the nice wing on the back. Get a shot of the interior and the bottom. Oh my gosh, guys, it's just my luck today that we would find another Terminator. This one's black as well. It's got the red and leather seats like mine did. But look at this. It's got the stock eaten on it. Looks like it's pretty much bone stock, I think, from what I can tell, other than it doesn't have the shroud on the front where the pulley is there. But oh my gosh, guys, another Terminator here. Let me show y'all the interior of this. Mine had the black and red like this one does. And oh, it brings back memories, guys. So I've seen three at the show. All right, guys, right next to the Terminator is a really nice 5.0 here, and it's got a supercharged blower on it. But look, it's got a see-through hood, so you can see the Roush blower right on it. Looks pretty cool. Carbon fiber hood. Two awesome cars right there, guys. Oh, guys, check out the Viper. Man, that is nice. Wow. Oh guys, look at another little doggy. Wow guys, check out this Acura NSX classic. Man.
Alright, well good talking to you today. Next time.
Wow guys, check this out. Very, very nice. Let's get a shot of the inside. It's so tight.
Nobody wanted to pick it up last night.
Wow, look at this guys, Lamborghini Huracan. This one's always in my videos. Very clean. And then right next to it, Lamborghini Gallardo. Wing on the back. Orange calipers. I like the side stripe. Here's a shot of the front. Oh guys, row of C8s over here. Blue, yellow, gray, red. You got them all. And this one's got like a fighter plane wrap on it. That's really cool. You got the HEB Ferrari. GTO guys. More Ferraris, guys. More Ferraris. C8. And then an Audi R8 over here on the side. Oh look, another Schnauzer. Guys, what y'all think? Y'all think I should buy a mat for mine so when I go to shows, I just drive on it and I'm like, boom. Oh guys, we got some cool cars over here. Viper, Lotus Evora GT, another Porsche. Whatever this thing is, Maserati something. Another Porsche. Watch behind you.
Thank you.
Oh god, look at this McLaren 720S. Clean, so clean. And you got your Ferrari lineups over here. Found the Supras, guys. There's one right here. Side shot of this one. I like the spoiler on the back. And then a couple more over here. There's one right there. Wow, guys, look at this Shelby Cobra. Oh, guys, look at this Viper coming out. Oh my gosh. Look at that. All right, guys, we got a brightish green wrapped C7 over here. Looks crazy. All right, guys, that's pretty much the video there. We saw a bunch of cars. Hope you all enjoyed it. What else can I say? Lots of cars. We love them. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And thanks, guys. Until the next video, the Corvette out. Peace.